The CDC says 42,000 Americans died because of opioids in 2016, and now the president announcing how his administration is working to stop the flow of drugs and help those already addicted.
Yeah, news correspondent Lauren Blanchard is in Washington with more.
It was a campaign promise. Now the president is rolling out his plan to battle the opioid epidemic that costs more than 100 American lives per day.
This scourge of drug addiction in America will stop. Build the wall to keep the damn drugs out.
In New Hampshire, a state hard hit by the epidemic, the president, along with the first lady, saying the only way to solve the opioid problem is to get tough, pushing for harsher punishments for drug dealers and, in extreme cases, the death penalty.
If you break the law and illegally peddle these deadly poisons, we will find you, we will arrest you, and we will hold you accountable.
The White House says the plan will focus on simultaneously breaking the flow of drugs into and across the country, broadening education and awareness, and expanding access to treatment and recovery efforts. While the president has declared it a national public health emergency, some say his administration hasn't done enough. New Hampshire Senator Jeanne Shaheen in a statement saying, "What's been missing is follow-through. We need the president to commit to providing the resources necessary to win this fight." President Trump's plan also aiming to reduce the number of opioid prescriptions by 1/3 in the next 3 years.
You know, our doctors were trained to deal with pain, but there are alternative ways to deal with pain, including non-opioid treatments that we can put patients on.
The White House says the death penalty would only be sought for, quote, high-level, very specific cases of drug traffickers.